या और सर मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये है कि आपने 10 प्लस बेस्ट सेलिंग बुक्स को मार्केट में लॉन्च किया है। और
Yes.
सर मैंने प्रोफाइल में भी देखा कि हमारी जो तारक मेहता की कह सकते हैं कि हमारे देश में हर एक घर में ये सीरियल चली होगी। और उसमें से एक जो कैरेक्टर हैं कोमल करके, कोमल मैम करके हैं, उन्होंने आपकी टीम के साथ कोलैबोरेशन किया था। और सर एक और क्वेश्चन मैं इसी में ज्वाइन कर लेता हूँ कि 10 प्लस बेस्ट सेलिंग बुक को आपने मार्केट में लॉन्च किया है। तो सर उसके बारे
Yeah.
में भी हमें थोड़ा-सा एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कीजिए और आपका कोलैबोरेशन मैम के साथ कैसा रहा, वो भी हम थोड़ा-सा जानना चाहते हैं।
See, I will start from the point where I launched my first book. उसके बाद because of the criticism, I took it very seriously. और उसके बाद I got connected with my mentors from Sri Lanka, Russia, USA, and many others. The mentors of editing and proofreading. I learned editing from them, and I started working at like the minimum cost. My monthly earning when I was around 17, say suppose it was only 1200 rupees. I used to earn a very small amount, and I used to put a lot of hard work. And when I put a lot of hard work for editing, and I'll tell you, editing at that time I would charge only 0.10 per word, only 0.10, and now it is around 1.4 rupees per word. So you see that there is a major increment in the salary, and I'll tell you why. Because when I started editing books, the initial books whichever I edited till now have been the bestsellers. I do not know how, but there is some boon or say magic around me that whenever I take a book and if it's on my desk, I give my 100%. I take time, I take 1 to 2 months. My clients know that if they are working with Sanjay, they better have good time and also good weight actually. So while I'm giving my 100%, and I also have a team of proofreaders who then further accompany me after editing the book. So because of that, I started editing books, and I realized कि हर book edit कर रहा हूँ वो bestseller बन रही है, हर book edit कर रहा हूँ bestseller बन रही है. Then after launching my own publishing house, I myself launched around 8 books, and they have all become bestsellers. Endgame is the house of the bestsellers, to be honest. And here, if you are getting published, then pakka you are a bestseller. You don't have to think twice. We just say this to our clients that if you get selected here, then you are a bestseller or not. So after that experience of having every book to be a bestseller, I felt that there is something in me and I have to explore it much. That was the time when I launched my publishing house, exactly 8 months from now. Like 8 months ago, I incorporated this company, and now you see that Komal Bhabi, one of the major TV actresses, have also given good testimony about our house. So this all major development, now there's like 45 people working under us currently in the company. There are various departments and everything. So I'll tell you that the whole journey was just because we believed in quality work. Every time we delivered something, it's not a cliche that, oh, everyone provides quality, what's up with you. But we really genuinely provided quality, and it was result based. Or say we had genuine results with us to show to the people. And that was the reason why we get so many manuscripts in our inbox, and which we reject on daily basis, stating of some issues and some problems. So what I feel that is, if you're good at something, you don't know first. When you're starting out, you never know what you're good at. So you have to dig into yourself. I was a YouTuber in the starting, I'll tell you again. I was the YouTuber. Now I'm the world's youngest publisher. There's no relation between these two fields, but yet, because of being a YouTuber, I somehow found that okay, that might not be for me. I shall jump into this industry. And after jumping into this industry as an author, I felt this authorship is not for me. And then I went in book reviewing. I started reviewing books. I reviewed book, like one book for rupees 20. When I was 17, I told you, right, my income was only like 1200 rupees per month. Now it is actually six figure. So that time I used to get book reviews, and I used to do very, like what we say, for experience, or say for earning for experience. And that was the turning phase of my life, where I did the work of proofreading, book review, editing at very cheap rates. And now if you see, my rates are just beyond a market explanation, or it's just miracle. So this is all. And when it comes to Komal Bhabi, yes, we approached her, and she was finally happy with it, and we had a collaboration, brand collaboration. Furthermore, to release on this live, I mean, this is a good platform to release that the next book which we are launching, the name called Remembering Ashwini by Kushal Dastanawar, has a foreword given by Sonu Sood.
हुँ,
Sonu
हुँ।
Sood himself has given a foreword for the book, which we are going to launch in July. So this special news I wanted to share. And also we have our second branch in Morocco. A day before yesterday, we launched our second branch in Morocco, Africa. So these are the major achievements, and I think if you are dedicated and if you have passion, then you don't feel like you're actually working. It's all enjoyment and it's all fun, and it's fun to work. And I think that is the reason why we have within 8 months, I think it's very short time, we have even got major brand collaborations.
या श्योर सर। और सर एक और बात यहाँ पर मैं ऐड करना चाहता हूँ कि यहाँ पर 19-20 साल में आपने जब कहा कि आपके पास 40 प्लस मेंबर्स हैं आपकी टीम में और आपने अपनी सेकेंड ब्रांच भी ओपन की है डे बिफोर यस्टरडे, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग।
मोरक्को, साउथ अफ्रीका, यस।
ग्रेट। और सर यहाँ पर एक पॉइंट में जो ऐड करना चाहता हूँ कि हमारे 19 और 20 साल की उम्र में जो हमारे देश के जो बच्चे होते हैं उनके 45 फ्रेंड्स होते हैं, उनके अंडर में 45 काम नहीं करते होते हैं। और सर मेरे लिए भी एक वी कैन से दैट अ प्राउड मोमेंट फॉर मी दैट आप हमारे लाइव सेशन में आए, आपने अपनी बुक के बारे में भी जो स्पेशल न्यूज थी वो भी बताई, और आपने अपनी जो सेकंड ब्रांच आपने ओपन की है साउथ अफ्रीका के अंदर उसके बारे में भी आपने न्यूज शेयर की। मुझे लगा कि नहीं यार, मेरे लिए भी एक मोटिवेशन मिल गया है मुझे कि नहीं भाई, मैं भी संजय सर की टीम में काम कर सकता हूँ।
Excellent. We need YouTubers. We need people who can interview. So yes, we can. And also one of the most major turnover or development was that my second book, Me With You, is going to be a major motion picture very soon. Say in the end of the year, it will become a movie, or say that it will be launched in theaters and all. So there are pretty good movements around my company these days.
या श्योर सर। तो सर आपने जो कहा कि आपने अपना पूरा एक्सपीरियंस शेयर किया, और मैं गारंटी देता हूं कि आज के जो भी सेशन आज का जो भी हमारा सेशन है और जो भी लोग इस सेशन को देखने वाले हैं वो श्योरली वहां से उनको मोटिवेशन और इंस्पिरेशन मिलने वाला है। सर मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये कि आपने 10 प्लस बेस्ट सेलिंग बुक्स को आपने मार्केट में लॉन्च किया है, बट आप पर्सनली कौन सी 3 बुक्स को आप रिकमेंड करना चाहते हैं?
ओके, पर्सनली तीन बुक्स में से 2 बुक्स तो अभी रिलीज भी नहीं हुई है। आई मीन तीनों बुक्स अभी रिलीज होने वाली है, बिकॉज द रीजन द लास्ट 10 बुक्स विच आई एडिटेड, उनमें से अर्जुन मल्होत्रा की एक बुक है द मफल्ड फाइव। आई थिंक दैट इज जेन्युइनली समवन हैज टू रीड इफ यू वांट टू फील Britain, British in India. If you want to feel the writing of some person writing British writer in India, then I think no one is better than Arjun Malhotra. You have to read his book. It's excellent. The book's name is Muffled Five. And also the second book, which I think I want everyone to read, is Me With You. That is my second book, which I have edited and published, and which has been also a bestseller, as I've told you before. And the third book is going to be out very soon. The name of the book is quite in discussion now, like the editing and all has been done, but the name has to be done, and it's by Akash Dadwal. So I think these 3 books are excellent, and you have to read them. You have to go through them.